Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's start with some cards and see what we get today. I turn every experience into an opportunity. Each problem has a solution. All experiences are opportunities for me to learn and grow. I am safe. Rebirth, metamorphosis, and new beginnings. What are things that are ending in your life so new things can start? Three of Swords. Are you healing from something that has hurted you? You're on the road to recovery. Hallelujah. Hope. May the horizon always sustain you. Maybe it's time to go watch a sunset or a sunrise. Number 7, Peter, denial and weakness. Is there something that you are in denial about? Balance. Find balance to maintain harmony in relationships. Alrighty, let's check out this box. See if we can crack it open. If you're unhappy, change something. Quit your job, move, leave your unsatisfying relationships, and stop making excuses. You are in control. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Remember, you're not behind in life. There is no timetable that we must follow. It's made up. 7 billion people can't do everything in the same order. What's early? What's late? Compared to who? Don't beat yourself up for where you are. It's your schedule, and everything is right on time. There's no joy like the joy of being your strange self and finding that there are people who love you for it. 100%. The age I'm turning this year sounds a little serious, and I don't like it. Some people are only meant to help you grow and not be in your life forever. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.